3, 2, 1. Bienvenidos a Español con Denis. And today we are going to learn about the future in Spanish. Yes, the future that maybe is the most easy thing in Spanish because remember we did a video about the present, the irregular verbs, the past, the irregular verbs. And now we are going to talk about the future in Spanish. Future and the irregular verbs. And I think it's not so hard because there are not a lot of thens like in past and present in Spanish. So are you ready for the lesson of today? Let's start with the future. So guys, here we have the future in Spanish. In Spanish, it's not so hard to make the future sentences or to speak with the future. For example, we have three groups like in present and past. The ending in ar, the verbs with ending in er and ir. The verb amar, we need to add e, as, a, hemos, eis, am, because is the first group. And if you notice something, we don't delete the ending ar like in present and past. Here we only add something. We don't need to delete ar, er, ir. We just need to add e, as, a, hemos. Yes, it's more easy than the present and the past, in fact. Because if you notice also, the three groups use the same ending. And we don't need to delete something. Only add the same ending. E, as, a, and so on. So, for example, let's do one verb in the first group. Trabajar. Yo trabajaré, tú trabajarás, él trabajará, nosotros trabajaremos, vosotros trabajaréis, ellos trabajarán. A verb in the second group. Yo leeré, tú leerás, nosotros leeremos, él leerá, vosotros leeréis, ustedes leerán o ellos leerán. Yes. And a verb in the third group. Abrir. To open. Yo abriré, tú abrirás, él abrirá, nosotros abriremos, vosotros abriréis, ellos abrirán. Yes, you see, you only need to remember one ending, same ending for every group. So in present, you have three groups, three different endings. In past, we have two different endings and sometimes three and different past, a lot of past in Spanish, yes. And in future, we have this one and you only need to add e, as, a, hemos, eis, and. Yes, just like that. It's not so hard, in fact. But there is always a but because there are irregular verbs like in present, like in past, like everywhere, yes. And here there are not so much, in fact. So yeah, maybe 10, maybe 12 of them, 11. And you just need to remember 12 verbs, irregulars in future. All the others use this table because this table is for regular verbs. Got it? Let's see the irregular verbs. Here the irregular verbs. Caber, decir, haber, hacer, poder, poner. So only these are the irregular verbs in future. You just need to remember this. But if you notice, they use the same ending. I mean the ending of future that we saw some minutes ago. But before the ending, we need to add some letters. For example, caber, cabré. R, nie caberé. Caberé is not correct. Caberé is not correct. Cabré, 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 cabrás, cabremos. Decir, we add the letter R, not deciré is not correct. It's a big mistake. You need to say diré, dirás, diremos, diréis, and so on. Haber, we add the ar, habré, habrás, and so on. So, haberé, caberé, y deciré is not correct, guys. And then, the verb hacer, very important verb, to do. In future, I will do in Spanish, yo haré. Yo haceré is a big mistake. Yo haceré, no. Is yo haré, tú harás, él hará, nosotros haremos, and so on. Remember about that. The verb poder, also we add the r. Podré, podré, podrás, podremos. So, it's future, guys. And then poner, to put, very important verb also here. Poneré and querer, to want, also is irregular. Saber, to know. So, I will know is not yo saberé. I will know, yo sabré. You will know, tú sabrás, and so on. So we add the also here, and not saberé is not correct. Remember about that, guys. Saldré, not saliré. Saliré is not correct. Tener, to have. Yo, I will have. Yo tendré. Yo teneré is not correct. Never speak like that. And valer and venir also irregular. So here, guys, if you notice, we use the same ending of future that we saw some minutes ago, but before that we add some letters, sometimes BR, BR, DR, and R. Yes, so today you know future plus irregular verbs in future, guys. Guys, if you know someone that is learning Spanish and you think this video can be useful for them, share this video with them and like and subscribe for future content. And let me know in the comments, what do you think? It was useful? You knew the future? Yes, we have other futures in Spanish, but today is only about this futuro simple. Yes, guys, let me know. I will be happy to see your comments and see you in the next video. But remember that you can watch the video with the present, the conjugation, the irregular verbs that we did some months ago, and also the difference between pretérito simple, pretérito indefinido. Very useful videos, guys. So, hasta la próxima. Hasta la vista. Nos veremos en futuros videos. Futuro. Hasta la próxima.